Welcome to the video guys, hope you are fine. This video is specific for those friends who are suffering eyesight related issues while working on computers or otherwise. This remedy is very effective guys, so don't skip this video, it will surely helpful for you. Guys, the ingredients you need for this remedy are fennel seeds 250 grams, almonds 250 grams, mixed seeds 250 grams, white sugar 250 grams. Now guys, take a blender and turn white sugars as you are watching in the video into a white sugar powder. Now mix seeds into powder, almonds into powder as you're watching in the video. Similarly, fennel seeds into fennel seeds powder. Now guys, put all these things in an open jar and mix well. Guys, try to mix all the things in a proper manner. Yes guys, remedy is ready. You can take 1 spoon of this remedy along with milk or water morning and evening time. It will improve your eyesight guys. Try this remedy and comments below. Thanks for watching the video.